Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, May the 16th. As per usual, this is a series that'll show you things and stuff you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. And that's going to do it for us this week. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below. Be sure to check that out. Thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with the series. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.